Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty products to help you make the best choices for your skin. Today, I'm reviewing the Image Skincare Vital C Complete Set, a collection designed to hydrate, repair, and fight the appearance of wrinkles. Whether you're in need of a daily skincare routine or looking for products that focus on anti-aging benefits, this might just be what you're looking for. This set includes 3 key products: a hydrating facial cleanser, an anti-aging serum, and a hydrating repair crème. Together, they're aimed at revitalizing your skin with a blend of vitamin C and A to nourish, brighten, and fight the signs of aging. Each product serves a unique purpose, but do they live up to their claims? Let's break it down. First off, the Hydrating Facial Cleanser does a great job of emulsifying makeup and impurities while delivering essential vitamins to your skin. What I really like about this cleanser is its ability to not only clean, but hydrate, thanks to the combination of vitamin C, E, and A. It's gentle enough for daily use, and the subtle orange peel fragrance adds a nice refreshing touch without being overpowering. After using it, my skin didn't feel stripped, which is a big win for sensitive skin types. Moving on to the anti-aging serum, which is where the real magic happens. Packed with potent vitamin C, this serum is meant to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, support collagen production, and protect against environmental stressors. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I have noticed a subtle difference in my skin's texture: smoother, more even-toned, and a little plumper. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly, making it easy to layer with other products. If you're someone who struggles with fine lines or uneven skin tone, this might be worth considering. Finally, the Hydrating Repair Crème is a rich night cream designed to lock in moisture and repair the skin while you sleep. It contains hyaluronic acid, which is excellent for hydration, and vitamin C to support elasticity. I found it to be very soothing, especially on dry patches, and it didn't leave my skin feeling greasy, a must-have for night creams in my book. The only downside is that if you have oily skin, you might want to use this sparingly. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the pros side, the Vital C Complete Set offers a balanced blend of hydration and anti-aging benefits. The formulation of the products is lightweight but effective, and they do a solid job of addressing multiple skincare concerns, from dryness to fine lines. The addition of vitamin C gives the products a brightening effect that's noticeable but not overwhelming. Plus, the brand's commitment to being free from parabens, phthalates, and artificial fragrances is a nice touch. On the cons, while the products are effective, they may be a bit too rich for those with oily or acne-prone skin. I also found the price point to be on the higher end, especially if you're just looking to address one specific concern, like hydration or wrinkles. Some users may find more affordable alternatives that deliver similar results. Is this set a good value for money? Well, considering the high-quality ingredients, especially the potent vitamin C and hydrating properties, I would say it's definitely worth the investment if you're looking for a comprehensive skincare routine. The packaging is also top-notch, giving a premium feel that reflects the clinical nature of the brand. If you're on a budget or looking for alternatives, there are other vitamin C-rich products on the market that can compete in terms of performance. Brands like CeraVe or La Roche-Posay offer effective vitamin C serums and moisturizers at a lower price point, though they may not have the same high-end experience as Image Skincare. As for build quality, the products come in sleek, well-designed packaging, making them feel luxurious. The cleanser, serum, and crème are all easy to use, with pumps and jars that dispense just the right amount of product, reducing waste. The longevity of the products is great. I've used them consistently for several weeks, and there's still plenty left in each container. I haven't had any direct experience with customer support from Image Skincare, but the brand has a solid reputation in the industry for customer care, and they're known for responding promptly to inquiries. Their products are available through multiple retail channels, so if you ever need support, you won't have trouble reaching out. In conclusion, the Image Skincare Vital C Complete Set is a high-quality skincare routine that lives up to its promises. If you're looking for hydration, anti-aging benefits, and a glow-up with ingredients that are well-formulated, this could be a great addition to your skincare lineup. It's especially suited for those with dry or mature skin who need a little extra TLC. So if this review was helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on more honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Your support helps us keep bringing you the content you love. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the Image Skincare Vital C Complete Set in the comments or description box. If you've used these products, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.